Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yeah, we can see that Bitcoin right now is at 62,500. It appears that we actually have broken out of this little bit of trend line right here. We could look at it on the 1 hour time frame. You can see that this is just a wick here, so it's a nice touch point. And looks like we've broken out, tested a support, and we almost tested it again, and now it's still coming back down. So let's see how this plays out, because I do have a trade open at the moment on XRP, and we have entered basically at the bottom right here. I believe $1.09 and a little bit. So we're actually up over a nice 10% right now. For everyone else that's using more leverage, I believe they're up like 40 to 60%. So depending on the amount of leverage you're using, you're up a good amount at the moment. So you can definitely go on copy trades and close the trade yourself if you feel like you want to take your profits now. Be my guest. You'll make your gains regardless if you close it or not. But yeah, we can see on the 4-hour time frame is a bit of a downwards trend line right here on the 4-hour. And we did break out last night, but it looks like we're coming back down once again to test the support. Let's see if it holds for the time being. But looks like on this chart on the 4-hour, it looks like it did break back into the channel. But on the 1-hour time frame, it looks like we're holding it a little bit, but we'll see if this is just a wick or not. On the shorter time frame, like the really small time frames, like on the 3 minutes and the 1 minute, you can see that there's a bunch of manipulation pushing the price down, as we can see on Market Cipher telling us that there's a bunch of manipulation. And on the 5 minute, we can see a little bit of a red diamond right there, and on the 15, it's not that bad. It's just a wick for now, for now, for the time being. But let's see if we keep moving towards the upside. On the 1-hour, looks pretty. Looks like it's coming back down to test the support on the EMA ribbons, and on the 12-hour looks really bullish, as we can see this at 17. Nice green dot right there. And same thing for the daily as well. The daily on XRP looks extremely bullish. We can see the -5 and a 15 right there. And but for Bitcoin, it does look bullish as well. But it seems that no, we're not getting much movement at the moment, and we're just trading sideways, even downwards. If you want to take into the consideration that little bit of a sell-off right here, I wouldn't say a sell-off, but it's having some trouble breaking out at the moment, and we're actually making lower lows. So let's see if it comes back to retest it and breaks back into the channel to go back down to 60,000. So if it does that, then I'll be closing my trade on XRP pretty soon. And if we do close the next candle underneath the line, I'll be closing my trade and taking my profits. But for the time being, let's see how this plays out. I could actually definitely take some action right now, but we'll see what happens. And stock market, let's take a look at the stock market this morning. Looks like we're making higher highs on the Nasdaq, right? Sorry, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500, and the Dow Jones making new all-time highs. Same thing for oil. Let's see if oil breaks out and makes new all-time highs as well, or local highs, let's say, because all-time high for oil is something like $170 or something like that. And yeah, all in all, everything depends on Bitcoin. Let's see if it keeps moving towards the upside and retests 65,000. If it does, then that's great. Everything else will be moving up. But if it starts to break downwards and starts to collapse, then yeah, all the altcoins are going to bleed as well, and we'll be losing our gains. But it's not the end of the world. Let's see what happens. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades. Take a look at Market Cipher and keep an eye on it. It's a really good indicator, and it can actually give you a really good indication of where the market could be going in the short term. And if you guys want to purchase it, you can use my link in the description. It really helps the channel out. And love you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.